Hey guys, it's Nathan here, part of codecollege. I'm here with Mitchell,
Hello.
and I'm here to show you getting started with Visual Basic Express Edition. Um, we'll be using the 2010 version,
Because it's
which
awesome.
you should be able to find uh, easy enough with a Google search. Visual Basic Express should be there. If you have any problems, there will be a link in the description, and you can just click on that, and that'll take you to the relevant page. Right, once you've downloaded and installed Visual Basic Express, should get a page that looks like this.
Bam.
When you get here, you'll want to click on New Project. Call it whatever you like.
And then choose a Windows Form application, right?
Yep, exactly. Windows Form application. We will touch on what the other ones do, like console application. That can be quite fun and interesting. But for now, we'll just stick with Windows Forms application. Right, when you get in, you should see something like this. Make sure you get the toolbox on the left. Make sure you get the Solution Explorer and the properties on the right. If not, you should be able to just get them from going to View, Other Windows, and then everything should be in there for you if anything's missing. The first thing you should know is the toolbox and this form that you get here. This is what makes Visual Basic so brilliant, is that you can do everything visually on one side, and then you can go into the code on the other, and then it's just a matter of linking the two together. So for now, if we put a button on here, you can just drag that to whatever size you want. If you go into the properties, you can call it whatever you like. So I'm going to call mine Start. So that's the name, and then if you bring it down onto the text, then we change the text, as simple as that. Okay, so if you double click into the button, it creates the majority of the code for you. So now we have a private sub, which is for the button, and the handle is for when it gets clicked. I want to talk about variables. So a variable is something that holds values, strings,
Strings,
numbers.
arrays.
Yeah. This example, I'm just going to put in what shall we call it?
Variable.
So they just dim a letter, it doesn't really matter what it is. So I've got there dim a string. Okay, when I click this button, what I want it to do is I want it to bring up a message box. So that is just going to be as simple as message box, and then here you put in your message. So we'll just keep it good old classic hello world. Here we have the message box style. You can just go through, choose whichever one you like. It doesn't really matter. Here is the title. And I think that's it for now. So if you just put a bracket on there, and that'll end. So now if you run this, press start, and there's your message box.
Hello
World.
world.
Okay. If I come into the design and just double click the background, everything that is put on here is what gets ran when the form loads. So what I want to do in here is if I give the variable its value here, then it will have that value straight away. So just to show you how it works, if I put a equals hello variable, and here I'll put a, here I'll put b as string. If we put b equals total variable, now where we have the message box, if we put a, then b, and we press start, you have what was classed as a as the message hello variable, and now we have b as a title variable.
So this is a good way to create dynamic text message boxes.
Yep, it is indeed. Okay, I think that is it for our first lesson. Is there anything else, Mitchell?
Yeah, the Twitter. You gotta follow us on Twitter, and that's at codecollege. And yeah, if you want to promote us, use the hashtag called codecollege, and there will be a banner down below and explaining everything, and of course a link in the description. So also feel free to subscribe and hit that like button if this video was useful. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope Nathan, do you have anything to say?
No, that's it. I just hope you have a good time using Visual Basic, and I'll see you guys later.